Unveiling Harmony: How to Foster Unity and Peace. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and powerful expression: bring about harmony. This phrase is not just about music. It's about creating unity, peace, and balance in various aspects of life. Whether in relationships, communities, or within ourselves, understanding how to bring about harmony is key to a happier and more fulfilling life. Let's explore what this means and how we can apply it in our daily lives. The phrase, bring about, means to cause something to happen, while harmony refers to a state of agreement, peace, and balance. When combined, bring about harmony means to create or foster a peaceful and balanced state in a situation or among a group of people. This concept goes beyond just avoiding conflict. It's about actively contributing to an environment where differences are respected and balance is maintained. Harmony is essential for healthy relationships and societies. It reduces stress, promotes understanding, and enhances cooperation among people. In a harmonious environment, individuals feel valued, understood, and connected. This sense of belonging and mutual respect is crucial for personal growth and community development. Building understanding and empathy. One key way to bring about harmony is through building understanding and empathy. Try to see things from others' perspectives and acknowledge their feelings. This builds trust and opens the door for genuine communication. Encouraging open communication. Encourage open and honest communication. Share your thoughts and feelings while being open to listening to others. This can prevent misunderstandings and foster a supportive environment. Practicing patience and tolerance. Patience and tolerance are pillars of harmony. Recognize that everyone has their own pace and perspective. Accepting differences without judgment contributes to a peaceful coexistence. Promoting collaboration and inclusivity. Work together towards common goals. Inclusivity and collaboration not only achieve better results but also ensure everyone feels involved and valued, reinforcing harmony. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful concept of bringing about harmony in your life and the world around you. Remember, creating harmony is an ongoing process that requires empathy, understanding, patience, and active participation. Let's strive to make our homes, workplaces, and communities more harmonious. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.